If you're wondering how to buy shares of AIXTRON, this short tutorial will walk you through the steps. AIXTRON is a Germany-based supplier of semiconductor deposition equipment listed on Xetra under the ticker AIXA.de, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After you register, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AIXA.de to find the listing. Make sure you select the Xetra listing to locate the correct AIXTRON stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the name, ticker AIXA.de, and exchange before proceeding to trade. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next market window, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the trade. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and set alerts. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.